Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to cancel your Bumble subscription. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Settings app on your mobile device. Note that it's important to ensure that your device is updated to the latest version available, as this can help avoid any issues during the process. Once you have the Settings app open, look for the profile banner at the top of the screen and tap on it. This will take you to your Apple ID features, where you can manage various settings related to your account. Next, you will need to access the Subscriptions tab. When you tap on this option, all of your available subscriptions will appear in front of you. This list will include any active subscriptions you have, including your Bumble subscription. Now, find and select the Bumble subscription from the list. Once you have chosen it, look for the option that says Cancel Subscription. Tap on the button and you will be prompted to confirm your cancellation. After confirming, your Bumble subscription will be cancelled and you will no longer be charged for it in the future. As I don't have any subscriptions right now, I can't show you the exact screens, but don't worry, the steps are really simple and easy to follow, so you should have no trouble completing the process. So that's basically how you can cancel your Bumble subscription. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.